Hey, so what's up? I know it's been a while, a long while, but here we go. Let's start this process. So I already downloaded the update. It was a lengthy download, as you guys can see. I did have to pause and restart the video and stuff like that, but because like I did warn you in the last video, the 800 megabytes, it's pretty lengthy download for it. So this should take anywhere about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on basically how much applications you have on your phone. Being that I did do a full factory reset in the beginning of the video, this shouldn't take too long. And as a matter of fact, I should be able to put this down right here. So right now it's doing its nice little update. You guys can actually see my shadow, my shadows. The funny thing is that I am such an HTC fan that I got the HTC ONE M7 updating right here while I'm recording with the HTC Evo 4G LTE. Now, if you guys have seen my way previous videos, I had this phone for quite some time, and basically I fell in love with HTC that I had to get the HTC One. I didn't get the M8 because, again, like, I don't know what it is with HTC that they decided to spawn extra ones around. They had the HTC One, what is that? The HTC One M7, the M8, and then they had the plastic one. They had the cheap versions of it. And now they're coming out with the HTC One M9. It's supposedly a lot better than the HTC One M8 because it does hold the octa-core, and it should hold at least 2 to 4 gigs of RAM. I'm not that sure. I can't even speculate at this moment because there are so many rumors, so many leaks that are going around in the internet that I can't go by anything at this moment. So I'm just waiting until a press release from HTC announcing what the specs are going to be for the new HTC M9. Although they did say that octa-core is going to be on there because it's already on the Desire that's already out right now. So I'm just saying, I just can't wait. Although it's not going to have uh, the Beats stereo or the Beats speakers, it's just gonna have the new HTC Boom sound, or I'm not even sure what type of speakers it's gonna have, but I am definitely gonna miss Beats. Because Beats was actually the best feature that the HTC One ever had. As you can see, the grills on the bottom and the top. It actually is a superb sound when I play YouTube videos, music videos, any type of song, MP3s. The sound quality for it is awesome. But since Beats decided to ditch HTC and go with Apple, it kind of ruins the whole thing, It's just kind of messed up. Yeah, I guess you can say it's a sellout in other words, but whatever. I guess whatever makes more money, and uh I guess whatever. I don't know. I can't go on ranting about it. But I have to say I am going to miss the beats on the HTC phone. So as you can see, it's still updating, it's still doing its thing. I'm not going to quite, go into the details as to fill in my information, and then I'm just going to skip, and then I'm going to see what they changed, what they removed, because as always, HTC loves to remove stuff. Supposedly, in when they first initiated the KitKat, they had this little LED flashlight or whatever. Uh, you was able to go ahead and push the flashlight application, and you was able to control your the flash that's on the camera. You was able to actually control the light fluctuation with the volume button, or just by pressing the power button on the flashlight application. In 4.4.2, they actually removed the flashlight because I guess HTC said that, since it wastes a lot of battery, they had to remove it. I did speak to a couple of techs from HTC and from the HTC development team, I think it is, the testing team. And they were saying that because there was a lot of people complaining that the HTC One drains its battery quite quickly, they removed the flashlight. So that way, a lot of people don't really use the little app, constantly, and then having to drain the battery. Because even so, in the background, it took battery life out of you. Even though it wasn't on, the application was programmed to, emit light any way that it could. And I guess even in the background, it took battery life away from you. So HTC decided to take the application away from you just to solve the problem and issue. But with the new Android 5.0 Lollipop, Google says that the battery life should be able to hold a lot longer. It should be, I think 20% longer. Well, I can't even speculate. There's too many thoughts of what it is that's going to happen with your battery life on this new update. So, yeah, when it comes to that, we actually don't know what's going to happen. Now, the Samsung Galaxy S5 for Sprint also is getting the Lollipop update. So if you do have that device on you, that's definitely a good thing for you guys. It's probably a treat. Although, yeah, it has nothing to do with this video because, as you can see, it's an HTC phone. But yeah, we're almost done with the update. It's gonna flash. It's gonna do this little thing while it updates the drivers to the GPU and all this other good stuff. So you probably might. Right now, we're seeing some you guys are seeing some light blue. I see it green. This bar on the bottom right here, it's green for me, but for you guys are seeing it as a light blue, baby blue type thing. But once that's done, it's gonna flash. It's gonna update the GPU drivers, and then afterwards, it's gonna restart again, make sure everything is done, and then I don't know. I think it's 2 restarts and then a full start on the phone. I keep on forgetting. It's been so long since I've actually updated the phone, and it's been a long time since actually HTC decided to push an update to the HTC ONE M7. They've been pushing a lot of updates to the M8, which I've been kind of jealous because since I don't have the M8, I have to think that the M7 is the next HTC Evo 4G LTE. So it's kind of upsetting, you guys, whoever has the M8, man, it's like the joyous thing that you guys have updates constantly while us M7 users have to wait like a long time just to get an update. So we're almost done. I mean, I'm thankful, because the download was like excruciating just to wait. I had to stop the video twice because in the beginning, like I was like, wait a minute, my download speeds are like very slow, and then yeah, I was having network problems, and then kind of took care of it later on. But then after it finished downloading, yeah, sure, my network just went back way, back to normal and stuff. So let's see what goes on from this. So like I said, it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to update your phone. Do make sure that your phone is fully charged. You do not want to actually, have your battery life somewhere around 85 or 75%, because at some point you are going to throw off some sort of sensors that will actually not allow you to fully charge your phone. But then again, that's just me. I'm just speculating too much. I mean, I'm kind of cautious of how, phones and their batteries are really, capable of sustaining life. All right. So I guess it's doing its little thing. And this time I don't have any applications on the phone, just like before. When you do an update, it actually optimizes all of your applications. And believe me, I used to have 144 applications, including the ones that come with the phone as bloatware. So any update really had to optimize all of those applications just to make sure that there is no bugs, no glitches that occur when you try to open those set applications. Because there'd be times that if you was to open, say, Facebook, and it would crash right away, is because there's some type of bug that's happening with the operating system and your phone. So I don't know, it's just weird like that. But in cases like this, I decided to do a full factory reset and ensure myself that I don't go through that problem of having to wait another extra 10 to 15 minutes while the operating system actually optimized every single application. So again, it's always best to do a full wipe when you're upgrading to a new version of the Android operating system. So meaning like if you was to go from 4.0 to 5.0, you definitely would want to do a full factory reset on your phone just to ensure that you are getting all of the settings, the applications, and the cool features that each and every single update comes with. Because when I did a factory reset just now, before, I was able to get the super battery saver and then some eco battery saver, which I really didn't have before. So I was kind of weirded out when it actually showed up on my settings menu that I had those icons there and available for me, but I never did have it before. So I'm kind of now coming aware that any type of update, well, any major type of update, I'm definitely going to be doing a full wipe on the phone. All right, so as we see, the screen just went black, and now we should be able to get the GPU drivers. All right, so now the screen gets, the little phone gets a little glossier, and that's letting you know that the drivers for the GPU is also getting updated. Oh, that was kind of quick. Oh, no, there we go. That's the GPU drivers getting updated. Because it's like when you're on your desktop and you're updating drivers for your video card, you get like a little warning message. Says your screen may flicker at this time. That's what this is. As you can see, the bar got a more glossier. Everything is a lot smoother, and that was pretty quick. Well, I guess the drivers weren't that really important this time for the GPU. And there you have it. And drivers are updated. You should get like a little vibration and a full start. Then we should get that little phone update sync again. Just to verify that all of the system operating files are there. Now that it did that, there we go. I was going to say it should do another restart. And this is now the full start of the phone. So there we go. The update took about 16 minutes and 30 something seconds. Now we're going on to the full start. I'm recording at a secret location, people. So if you guys hear some weird noises, pipe drains and stuff like that, yeah, I kind of had to move to another location other than where I was recording in the beginning because there was a lot of people behind me talking around and all this good stuff. Yeah, that didn't sound very good either. All right, so now that we are getting started and things is actually going as planned, I guess, we should now see the HTC One screen move. This part is the most excruciating part. The full boot. Since I don't have fast boot option available, I didn't check that in. But again, I did actually approximate the update time anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. We're on the 18-minute mark. I kind of figure it's somewhere around 25 minutes this time because it is 800 megabytes. Usually I estimate my time on the amount of megabytes the update is available to you. So before I used to get 500 megabytes of update to each software. I don't know, to each update. So it took anywhere from like 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. But since this one is actually 800 megabytes big, it might take a little longer. So yes, wow, that sucks. As you can see, there's 276 applications. I don't know where that actually came from. I did not freaking I did not put any credentials on my phone. And that's weird too. So see, this is one of the things that I really wanted to like avoid when it came to updating your phone. Like when it comes to updating your phone, that you do a full wipe because you don't actually want to get stuck having to wait for Android to optimize each and every single application. As you can see, there's like a whole bunch of applications, and I really don't know why. Like really, like I don't have any applications installed now. If it actually restored all of my applications from the previous um from my previous account, then yeah, that's just like really sad. But I'm guessing most of this has to do with the internal applications that the phone comes with and all this other goody stuff, the files and all that stuff. Because even in the uh, when I was downloading the update, there was quite a few applications that was getting updated as far as sprints bloatware, where I had to update the optimizer, where I had to download Sprint Zone and all that other stuff that came with it. I mean, I'm not saying that it is bad, but it just takes up, you know, precious time when it comes to this. But it's pretty good though. It actually jumped quite a bit. It went from 57 to 100, so it shouldn't take that long. But again, I guess 25 minutes is going to be the top figure on this update. Depending on what you have, if you are actually updating your phone just like that without doing a factory reset, then this might actually take a good 30 to 35 minutes for it to actually update and do the final settings, because what you see there is not the number that you are going to see if you have applications on your phone. Like if you just updated your phone from 4.4.2 to 5.0.1 just like that, then definitely you're going to have a lot of issues when it comes to optimizing the applications. So right now we're on the 22-minute mark. Cripes, my Parkinson's is starting to kick in. I'm getting the shakies. $23, 37, 38. Wow, it's just like eating up time. So tell me, how did your update go? You guys gotta leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the new update. Are you guys happy that your HTC One is now on the Lollipop, being that this was announced way back when Kit Kat came out? There was like, oh yeah, forget Kit Kat, we're already on Lollipop. And it's like, damn, man, we just updated to 4.4.2 and you guys already made 5.0? That sucks. And it's kind of weird that they announce, like, so for instance, right now that we're on the 5.0, I'm betting like in a couple of weeks, they already have the 5.5 already 6.0, which is kind of weird because it just makes us anticipate for the next update. And it's just like saying we're waiting for, like, a good concert and everybody just floods the entrance. We just want to know what's going on. That's my HTC Evo 4G LTE. That's probably letting me know that something's up. So again, yes, do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Is there anything that was removed that I do not know about yet? Being that this is so late for me to actually be doing this. Should have been done this in the morning. I mean, I was so stoked that at 9 o'clock this morning, I had the update already pushed out on my phone. But then due to real life stuff, as far as getting errands done, getting out of doing work and all this other good stuff, I couldn't really update my phone. And as well, the battery level was low, because my last video you guys got to see that the phone had no battery life whatsoever. So it was pretty much an excruciating pain, like hit to the balls, that I had to actually wait until I really charged my phone. So yes, I guess 30 minutes is going to be the final number. It is now 27:10 or 27:15, and it's still not done. So I kind of actually threw it on the ballpark. I mean, in the beginning I did say 15 to 20 minutes. It actually did take 15 minutes to actually update the phone. But now it, like I said, it takes another 10 to 15 minutes for this thing to actually optimize every single application on my phone. Into which I really gotta find out what is up, if I really do have applications on this phone or what. Cause I'm confuzzled. At this moment, I am really confused as to what is taking so long. All right, so we are starting up. Just gonna finish my boots. And there we go. Oh, snap. Oh, now I see. Now it gives me this. Now it gives you this notification on the home screen. So I guess that's the customized. That's the customized notifications, I guess. So that's pretty much new. Instead of it showing up all the way up here, it actually now shows up down here. Man, I hate that screen timeout crap. Oh, I see. See, look, I get extended battery saver. I get battery saver. And this little new feature. I know this was on before. I mean, like I said, I did a full factory reset on the 4.4.2, and new icons came up. And that's basically what it was. The extended battery saver and the DND, which it means do not disturb. What happens is that I guess it kills off the radio and it saves a lot more battery life. And whatever happens, like say for instance, if somebody was to call you, uh, you're definitely going to not get those phone calls. It's going to go straight to voicemail. All right, so let's actually see what's going on. See, I get this crap. The Sprint. No, I don't get this crap. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that way. Yeah, sure. I'll lick. So congratulations, your phone has been your phone has been updated successfully to version 6.16651.2. So it's kind of weird. It doesn't say your phone has been successfully screwed. Yes, I know it. We've been screwed. All right, so fudge that. Let's actually see what's new. Emergency. Emergency alerts. I didn't get that before. That wasn't there. And there's file manager. All right, so I guess there's new features. There's Wi-Fi calling. There's slides. There's sheets, documents, sheets. What the fudge is sheets? Let's check out what sheets. Just a sec. All right, I don't got time for this. Oh, okay, there we go. I guess it's a Google. All right. That's a Google feature. All right. Never mind. So I get news and weather. Oh, so these are new icons that are here. All right, news and weather. That was always there. VPN. Man, stop showing me that crap. All right, productivity is there. HTC. What did HTC add? Nothing. All right. What did Google add? All right, Google Games, photo, voice search. Now that's always the same. As far as media is the camera, music, YouTube. All right, that's still there. I can see that they never. Oh, okay, tools. Let's see, tools. Stock, voice recorder, clock, parent dashboard. All right, that's the same. So all we got that's new is the Google Documents, the Sheets, News and Weather, File Management, Emergency Alerts, and the Slides. I actually don't want to go into that crap. All right, so I guess, this is pretty new. Let me go back. I'll go back. Yeah, that's actually new. It doesn't actually bring itself all the way down. Because whenever you bring this down... Oh, never mind. It's actually there again. Alright, so let me actually... Alright, so... When I bring this down... Alright, so... so there's two ways to bring this down now. Alright, so that you got the first bring down, which actually brings down your notifications. And then if you bring it down again... There goes your settings. All right, so that's pretty good. So like I said before in my previous video, I guess they added a search button. So this little search icon was never there before, and I guess now you can actually search. So if I type in, like I said, bright, you see, there you go. If I even type in one word, and I did say before, if I typed in brightness or whatever, it's there. So that's pretty cool. That's, I guess, if you're that lazy to actually look for stuff. The power button ends. Oh, that's pretty new. Oh, hardware backed. Okay, wait. All right. I don't have much time left to record, so let me actually see what's going on. No. The Bluetooth, mobile, now, personalization, what they changed here. Everything seems to be the same. Yeah, everything is the same craps. let's go to, what did I do that for? I actually wanted to hit power. Power. See, look at that. Man, that whole update actually took from 99 to 70. It actually dropped my battery. Because as you can see, look, it even says I've already been 16 minutes on my battery. And look at that. Look at that. It was up there, or it was up somewhere there, and man, that's weird. Let's see, look, Google Play services actually took 100% of my battery life. Yeah, we better call the police because somebody stole my battery life. Alright, so let me see this. If I search, there's blocked open networks, best Wi-Fi performance, Bluetooth, brightness, backed hardware, battery usage, power button ends the call, backup and reset, show battery level, backup, switch Wi-Fi networks, pocket mode, emergency mode, all other phones, report preferences, power saver, and extreme power saver. Nah. What? Alright. I thought there was actually something else that was here that I actually wanted to take a look at. But that's about it. And, somebody did ask me whether or not what happened with the recent applications list. Now, as you can see, the recent applications is accessed by double tapping the home button. And you get this nice little GUI that kind of looks like the Samsung, but it's not really the Samsung, because the Samsung actually has individual pages. This one looks like it's all stacked together. So you definitely, if you want to access your recent applications list, just double tap the home button, just lightly, and it should actually bring it up. What I actually want to do, hold on, I gotta take this off screen, is because if I was to tap, man, on the Samsung Galaxy, this actually works. I gotta show you guys how this actually works on the Samsung Galaxy. I was actually able to do that on the Samsung Galaxy and was able to bring up some cool little feature. But I guess HTC is a little bit lame on that. But as you can actually see, we're on actual... Whoa, wait a minute. Is that right? In the beginning, it actually said 5.0.1. Now I'm actually on 5.0.2. Alright, I guess there was a little typo flaw there when it came to the little notification screen. So either I jumped a version that I did not or was not aware of, or I don't know what. But there you have it, everybody. That is the latest update on this phone. I will actually post more videos as to what new features and stuff has been removed or actually added. This thing actually looks a little more clear. This actually looks more nice. But everything else looks the same, actually. Security, there's nothing new. Everything looks the same. Accessibility, blah, 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 blah. We got the talkback, color inversion, may affect performance, all this crap. Power button ends of, there you go. Power button ends a call. Speak passwords. I guess I guess since now Google added some voice recognition, you're able to to get some cool stuff. I did disable the near field communication radio before, so that stayed off, which is kind of cool. And mobile data. Oh, actually, oh, nice. This actually changed colors. Yeah, before it used to be green. Now it's actually blue. Nice. All right, so again, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. It took 40 minutes in total for me to actually update the phone and show you guys the new features and all that good stuff. I will be doing another video on little tips and tricks, if I do see any changes. No, actually everything else is the same. Let me see something here. No, yep. Actually everything is the same. So that's it. That's my whole video for now. I do hope you guys enjoyed. I know some of you may not even like the fact that the update takes too long. But again, leave the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of the update. I know it is way too late. I did start the update somewhere around 9 o'clock due to network issues that I've been having. I couldn't really update the phone and record this and upload it on time as promised. But there you go. Yeah, my camera is still pinkish. Yeah, my camera is still doing that little pink crap thing. But I guess, you know, there you go. There you have it. There I am. Oh, wow. All right. Oh, so I get two hours. What is that? What is this? This is new. That is new. What is that? All right, so I guess I'm going to have to actually take a look at this at another time. I don't know what the fudge is that. Let me take a picture. What did it do? Oh, it actually takes a double clicker there. Nice. It does a selfie and a regular picture. So I guess if I was to do something like this, it would work. Come on. Nah, that works perfectly. There we go. Yeah, that's the perfect. It's the perfect picture right there. So that's pretty neat. It actually takes selfies, or you can actually do a selfie and a portrait. Nice. So again, like I said, I still have to take a look at stuff, see what's going on. But again, let me know what you guys think of the new update, and let me know on the comments down below. If you did find any cool little tips and tricks, do let me know, and I will actually take the time to review that myself and update you guys on what's going on. But again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Do rate, subscribe, and comment. Till then, see ya.